Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the problem when your Windows C drive is full and showing a red indicator on your drive. Let's fix it guys. The first step is to clear your unnecessary temporary files. To do this, you just need to search for %temp %again. Opens up file folder. You just need to click on it guys, and in here you just need to press in keyboard Control plus A and right click on it and select delete it guys. These all are temporary cache files only guys. Something are not deletable, click on skip and continue guys. Do this for all current items. Select this check mark and select skip. This can help you to clear a lot of unwanted files. Don't forget to clear up your recycle bin as well guys. After finishing this, right click on the recycle bin and select empty recycle bin and select as. So Windows have a built-in disk cleanup tool guys. To open it, go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it guys. You just need to select the drive you want to clear it, and gonna select C drive and select OK, and just need to select all of these files guys. In here check mark it and click on this cleanup system files. It will be checked for any files having on the drive. Just calculating guys. After getting it, I'm getting the Windows update cleanup. This is the previous Windows update guys, just a backup file. You just need to select all of these files. In here these all are cache files only. Don't afraid of deleting it. You can use disk cleanup to free up to 3.60 GB of disk space guys. On my PC, in your case, there will be a 10 GB or 20 GB I think. Click on OK for delete all of these files. Click on delete files. After finishing it, you should also consider uninstalling unneeded application and games on your PC to clean up more space guys. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it guys. Click on this view by to category and select uninstall a program. And in here you just need to search for the unwanted games or application you never used. You just need to right click on it and select uninstall it guys. And after uninstalling it, close it off here. Right click on the start icon, select settings. You just need to scroll down, click on storage. You will think about it guys, where the space gone. Here are the document, installed apps, temporary files. Temporary files are 7 GB there guys. Click on it and you just need to select all of these items, and warning, these are files in your personal download folder. Select this, delete everything, does not respect your storage sense configuration. This is the downloaded folder guys. Click on this remove file and 7 GB will get it guys. The same way you do it guys, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.